street has triangle, so they must give us way. And the next Kaunas street, no sign, no priority sign. So the right side has priority, but we must check everywhere. Okay, everything is there. So the next intersection to the left, so they have priority, left, right, and I'm turning left, so also oncoming traffic without cutting edge, not to cut the double line. Okay, it's free, then I choose it one next lane, then traffic lights to the right, so we must get on the right lane. I must change the lane, but I'm checking the BMW coming. Okay, now I can change the lane. The next intersection to the left, so I'm checking the mirror and getting on the left lane. Checking pedestrians, scanning. And I don't increase the speed because in front there is intersection and it's complicated to two lanes. I stay on the left lane because I am planning to go next intersection left also. Give way. The car's coming fast from that side. And now we can go check and straight. And here's our priority, but we check the pedestrians, no pedestrians. Lots of crashes here. After 100 meters, I'm planning to turn left and the next intersection to the right. So it's tricky place, one-way traffic left lane, but the next I go right, so I stay on the right, give way, one-way traffic, no cars, and I am exiting here on the right. Okay, and here we must not be very fast because sometimes children run from the park, so we maybe stay with 30 kilometers per hour, although there is no special speed limit, but we must choose the right speed for the right situation. And checking pedestrians. Now the visibility is better, so I chose the third gear. Is coming, he must give us way, but we fit here. Yes, really fit. Okay, if we don't fit, we slow down. He must give us way, but if we don't, we slow down. Turning right, intersection at the end of the street to the right. Bad visibility, so I choose the first gear. Approaching, checking, the car is coming, and checking no more pedestrians. One more car. Okay, no pedestrians, no cars, then we go follow the lane discipline. At the end of the road, we turn left. So I know that at the end of the road, there will be two lanes. Of course, if you plan the next intersection to go left, you can stay on the left. But the first intersection we go left, the next we go right, so that's why we stay on the right lane. And it's invisible from far distance, so it's a little bit tricky. So we are approaching the intersection, we slow down, maybe second gear because checking pedestrians, nice, no pedestrians. Then I stay on this right lane here because the next intersection to the left, so no cars, indication they must not come here, and the next we go right.